Of course, today's event is all in support of the BC Special Olympics. And we have some Olympians from the Olympics here on the lot today, and they are indeed selling 50-50 tickets.
We are so appreciative of all of you coming today. This is your car show. This is not our show. This is your show because you show up year after year and you bring your absolutely beautiful vehicles to show off. We are so appreciative and thank you so much.